Dear students, viewers and honorable guardians, Assalamu alaikum. You are invited to my online class arranged by Waruk Rahmania High School, Waruk Sharasti Chatpur. I am Muhammad Shadat Hussain, your English teacher. Today I am going to conduct an English class, English first part for class 6. Dear students, this topic is very important for your final exam. You can see I have already written some keywords on board. I have taken the words from lesson 26. So our topic's name is our OS earners. Our today's topic name is our OS earners. Now I am going to read the words with their meaning and their Bengali meaning. Number 1, OS, its meaning salary and its Bengali meaning mojuri. Number 2, earners, its meaning obtainers and its Bengali meaning uparjonkari. Number 3, huge, its meaning big or large and its Bengali meaning boro or vishal. Number 4, foreign, its meaning alien and its Bengali meaning videsh. Number 5, abroad, that means outside of the country and its Bengali meaning videsh. Number 6, regret, its meaning sorrow and its Bengali meaning dukha. Number 7, odd, its meaning abnormal, uncommon and its Bengali meaning adbhut. Number 8, good at, its meaning skilled and its Bengali meaning daksha. Number 9, send and its meaning give and its Bengali meaning pathano. Number 10, the word job, its meaning work and its Bengali meaning chakuri. Number 11, develop and its meaning improve and its Bengali meaning unnati. Number 12, economy and its meaning economics and its Bengali meaning arthniti. Now, dear students, for your better understanding, take your book, textbook and open page at 78. 26 lesson, our OS earners. I am going to read the text. Dear students, you should take a pencil and you will mark the word or sentence which I will order you. I am going to read the text. Let's start. A huge number of Bangladeshis go abroad for jobs. We know huge means big, large. Have Bangladeshi? Many Bangladeshi people go abroad for jobs. There is always a high demand of workers in some foreign countries like UAE, Oman, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Bahrain, etc. That means our Bangladeshis have a great demand in foreign countries like UAE, Oman, Saudi Arabia, Bahrain, etc. They like Bangladeshi workers because they are hardworking. They like, that means the foreigners like our Bangladeshi because they can hard work. But this is a matter of regret. We know regret means sorrow. Regret means sorrow. But this is a matter of sorrow that our workers are doing odd jobs. Odd means abnormal or uncommon. Jobs means work. That means Bangladeshi do abnormal job or abnormal work in foreign countries because as a result they do not fed much. Much means many. As a result they are not fed much. This is because our workers are not good at English, Arabic or other language. Because they do not good at English, Arabic or other language. So we should develop language skills of our workers for the countries they go for work. That means when our people intend or will to go abroad, they should learn that country's language or English, Arabic. They should develop their language skill. Then they can get good job in office, common job, good job, and they will be able to send money more and more. They can get good jobs and send more money to our countries. I have mentioned it before. Thus the oil earners of our country can help develop our economy. Thus, if our workers learn foreign language, that means English or Arabic or other language, they will be able to get good jobs in abroad, and Bangladesh will develop ultimately, because then we will get a good amount of remittance. I have finished the text. Dear students, go to next page number 79, exercise B1. It is your homework. Complete column B, page number 79. Here mentioned column A and column B. You will fill the column B, and you have another homework, a paragraph, winter morning. No more today. See you again in the next class with another topic. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.